Are your Cockos apps crashing due to the REAPER Synthesizer module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. To kick off the REAPER Synthesizer module walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the REAPER Synthesizer module, the foundational synthesizer library for the REAPER DAW. It provides basic additive and FM synthesis for music production. If missing, REAPER projects using internal synth channels will load with missing plugin errors, and audio will be silent for those specific tracks. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. The REAPER Synthesizer module DLL library is bundled specifically for Cockos operations, and you must run the official setup for the program, encountering the error to repair the broken links and restore the missing data. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including REAPER Synthesizer module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Remember that manual replacement of REAPER Synthesizer module DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to REAPER Synthesizer module. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved REAPER Synthesizer module error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.